Moving the heaviest of loads has never been easier. Explore the PowerSteered range. Powerful remote control electric tugger solutions to improve safety and efficiency, enabling you to move the heaviest loads with the push of a button. The PowerSteered range takes material handling to a new level. Unlock greater flexibility, increase efficiency, and maximize workplace safety. The PowerSteered range delivers on safety every time, featuring an automatic brake, customizable speed controls, emergency stop systems, and audible and visual warnings. The remote control system allows the operator to step away from the load, maximizing visibility, while an optional secondary control unit enables an additional operator to stop load movement if a hazard is detected. High-performance, maintenance-free interchangeable batteries deliver 24/7 operation, while a battery protection system prolongs battery life and performance. Control the heaviest loads with remote control technology that delivers maximum maneuverability and control, perfect for movement of large loads in and through tight spaces. A powerful hydraulic coupling system maximizes load security, delivering smooth and controlled operation. Custom couplings are available for special applications. Unlock the ability to move the heaviest of loads with our innovative multi-link technology, allowing multiple machines to work in synchronization under the control of a single operator. Multi-link delivers total freedom of movement, ideal for the precise movement of large, heavy loads. Discover a better way to move the heaviest of loads. Unlock flexibility and improve safety with the PowerSteered range.